So June, when we think about this whole concept of build and run, I focused a little bit about how do we build the applications, but we want to get into some hardcore demos on how are we actually going to run these applications. When I think of Tanzu Teas, I mentioned I had these two sets of digital infrastructure, one which is around the factories and the distribution.
Right.
I want that primarily to be on-prem infrastructure. I'm concerned about latency, I'm concerned about where I place these data centers. And my question to you, representing VMware here, is what can VMware do to make that easy for me? How do I build and put in place this on-prem infrastructure as easily as possible?
Thank you, Ray. Ray, this is a perfect fit for VMware Cloud and Dell EMC. Last year, we first tech previewed this technology under the codename Project Dimension. This year, I'm super excited to announce the availability of VMware Cloud on Dell EMC. With this brand new service, we're able to bring cloud experiences to customers' on-prem infrastructure across both edge and data center. So let's go to the demo. IT admin, this is for you. Showing here, we're going to first log on to VMware Cloud. Showing here is a single pane of glass view of all the SDDCs that Tanzu Teas has running on VMware Cloud. On the East Coast, we have a VMware Cloud AWS instance running. That's our primary data center. In the Midwest region, we have a VMware Cloud and Dell EMC instance running. That's for their central distribution center. As Tanzu Tea is expanding, they want to expand to the West Coast and set up a distribution center there. So we're going to go ahead and order SDDC for the West Coast. So first, we're going to enter the address of the location. Then, similar to the cloud, we're going to pick the suitable instance type, as well as selecting the number of hosts representing the capacity I need on that particular site. And then we're pretty much ready to submit the order. Because Tanzu Teas is in a hurry, we're going to go ahead and select Express Delivery. So once the order is submitted, behind the scenes, VMware and Dell are working together to build out the rack and preloading the latest software from SDDC. In the meantime, we're also working closely with the customer on their site preparation to make sure everything from power, cooling, and network is set up properly. Before long, the fully configured rack will show up at the customer doorstep, along with the technician, to deploy and activate the service. In a matter of hours, the fully functional SDDC is going to be up and running, and customer can leverage the SDDC as usual to be able to deploy and run their application. While we're waiting for the West Coast location to be set up, let's go back and take a look at our Midwest location, where our VMware Cloud and Dell EMC has been running for a while. As now we're ready to deploy the application. Because this is a service that VMware is running, we will be monitoring these services and the racks 24/7, fix any issues that may arise. We're monitoring everything from the hardware all the way to the software stack. In addition, VMware is also responsible for the full lifecycle management of these racks, the upgrade, the patching, etc. Again, everything from the firmware all the way to the software stack. So we take care of all these infrastructure management side of things. So customers, you don't have to. You can focus your time around applications and building out your business. With VMware Cloud and Dell EMC, we're truly bringing the cloud experiences to customers' on-prem infrastructure across both edge and data center.
So June, the Tanzu Teas is happy to leverage this technology because for a very large degree, while I want these data centers, I really would like somebody else to manage it, and this takes care of that.